there are instructional videos detailing each of the following sequences. Have your prop ready, place it between your knees and ankles, squeeze and hold, and you're going to slowly, for the first exercise, lower your legs as far as you can go, rotating from the hip. You'll be exhaling, E for E. Let's get started. In your position, inhale through the nose, and we're going to slowly press our lower abs, and as we exhale, we will lower our legs, rotating from the hip as far as you can go, pulling your legs back up nice and slow, inhaling through the nose. We're going to reset, make sure that back is flat, and we will slowly press our air out, lowering our legs towards the ground. Now inhale, bringing them back up nice and slow, and lower. Beautiful count of 8. And up. Pressing the abs as we lower. Again, a slow, beautiful count of 8. Go as far as you can go without your back coming up. Then back up with the legs still at 90. Inhaling through the nose. Lower back tuck to release. Breathing normally. Back to 90 degrees. And we're going to do 3 and 3. Here we go. Down, 2, 3. And up. Down. Up. Beautiful. Down. And up. 2, 3. Lower down. And up. Down. Up. Down. Always using your lower abs. And up. You got this. Down. And up. Nicely squeezing. Down. Keep everything working. Up. And reset with the lower back tuck, breathing normally. We're going to wrap it up with a few more reps that are nice and slow. Beautiful counts of 8. Here we go. Down. 2, 3, 4, 5. Keep going. 7. Get back up. And down. Nice and slow. Compressing and flattening those abs. Up. Inhaling through the nose. Back down. Flatten those abs so those abs get to be nice and flat. That's what'll make it work. There you go. Back up. Still squeezing everything. Inhaling through the nose. Down. You got this. This is beautiful. And up. Nice. We're going to lower back tuck, release, and position ourselves for our psoas release. We're going to place one foot down at a time. You're going to have your feet flat, wider than your hips. Allow your knees to fold inward and meet. From there, you're going to place a pillow, if need be, underneath your head that keeps your head parallel. We'll be doing the 4-7-8 breathing. And make sure you're breathing deep enough to relax all the muscles of your neck. Here we go.
Place the tip of your tongue against the ridge of tissue located just behind your upper front teeth. Begin by slowly exhaling through your open mouth completely. Your breath passing by your tongue. Inhale through your nose. Hold. Exhale slowly and completely through your mouth. Inhale through your nose. Hold. Exhale slowly and completely through your mouth. Inhale through your nose. Hold. Exhale slowly and completely through your mouth. Inhale through your nose. Hold. Exhale slowly and completely through your mouth. Beautifully done.
Take a moment to sit up, so we'll begin exercise 3. Elongating your spine. Begin by lifting the front part of your feet. Your toes are coming up while your heels stay intact. Lifting one leg, heel tap, toe tap, heel tap, toe tap. What we're doing is removing the muscles so the venous system is massaged and the blood flow starts going up. Nice and tall. Switch legs. Heel tap, toe tap, heel tap, toe tap. You're sitting equally on both sits bones, both butt cheeks.
You can say I lost my mind.
Beautiful.
I will keep on holding my head high.
Lift your shoulders up, roll back and down. Just warm it up a bit. Raising your arms, up, back, slide them down your back. Up, back, slide. Beautiful. Keep going.
Jumping from cliffs so
Now 90 degrees. Same action at the shoulders.
Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground.
Checking in. Is your head nice and tall? You're sitting on both sits bones. Both cheeks of your butt are equally having pressure. Up, back, down. Nice and big.
I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind.
Feel the massage right between the shoulder blades.
Even if the sky is falling down. Even if the sky is
Lifting up and stretch right and left. Your sits bones are still equal. You're stretching and elongating the side of your body. Reach, reach, reach. The neck is relaxed. Position yourself in the victory stance. Stretching, reaching, reaching. Tapping those toes. Still stretching. Beautiful. Transitioning into exercise 4, where we'll be working our spine's number 1 stabilizer, your diaphragm. Sitting on the edge of an armless chair, inhaling through your nose, prepare. Roll your shoulders down, reach your head tall, tall, tall. Exhale, use your abs to press the air out as your arms go forward. Inhale through your nose as your arms go back. Exhale, press those lower thirds, bring the arms forward. That's beautiful. Quicker, back and forth. We're focusing on the lower abs pressing out. The air's coming back in through our nose naturally. No gulps. Just allow the mouth to be open, and each time you press and bring the arms forward, your air will go out. That's great. Always staying tall, tall, tall. You got it. Your weight is equal on both of your butt cheeks. The rotation is at the hip, and that is created by your ab muscles compressing, pushing that air out of your open mouth. All the time, checking that you're tall. Take a moment, big breath in through your nose. Reset. And let's start again. Exhale by pressing the abs. Relax, inhale, lift your chest. Beautiful. Exhale, pushing the abs, reaching forward this time. Slowly back Inhale through the nose, check in on your neck. We're going to pick it back up. Back, forward. The abs are doing all the work. The entire time you are staying as relaxed in your shoulder areas as possible. Your concentration is on the use of your abs. We want the diaphragm and the pelvic floor to work together. We're going to cross our arms. This is just going to use a different set of shoulder muscles. One arm all the way out at shoulder height. Another arm, shoulder height. One arm in. Now the other arm in. Beautiful. We're going to rotate back together. This is happening the entire time that you're using your abs. Back, rotate. The abs press the air out. We're working on that upper neck hump. Relax, reset. Inhale through the nose. Check in on your neck. Nice and tall. Exhale, pressing the air out, reaching the arms forward. And now back. Forward, to the side, forward, side, forward, side. Lifting your chest up and through your arms each and every time. Forward, side. Air's pressed out. Air's pressed out. One arm out and to the side. Reach, 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 reach. Same thing with the other side. Reach, 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 reach. Shoulder height, one arm in. Nice and controlled. Other arm. Beautifully controlled. They meet in the middle. Now, back and together. Back, together. Continue. And every time you're using those lower abs, the mouth remains open so the air can be pressed out. We are doing a compound exercise right now. Fold in and out. Complete control, right and left. Little quick ones. We're going to fire off some of those small muscle fibers. Staying nice and tall. Both together. Now both out. In, out. Beautiful. Keep it up. Relax your neck. Head is as tall as it can be. It never moves. We're working all those deep spinal muscles the entire time. Hold them out and bring them together straight. Rotate, press them back. In, press them back. In. Use those ab muscles. The ab muscles are pressing the air up and out. We have our pelvic floor, our diaphragm going, spine stabilizer. We have our upper back and neck being used. We have our arms all condensed within this one motion. Beautiful. Reset, sitting nice and tall. Now we're going to walk over to the wall, place our buttocks against the wall, our feet comfortably apart. Our prop will be in front of us, whether it is our blocks, a chair, or stool, whatever is stable, that we can comfortably roll down, place our hands on for support, relax our head and neck. Now slowly slide your buttock up the wall until you feel a nice, easy stretch. You're just finding your place where you can feel the stretch. We're not pushing, we're not snapping our knees. We are literally locating the stretch, relaxing our neck and jaw, bending our knees again, sliding the butt down the wall, and comfortably rolling back up. Beautiful. Make sure you include your scent as you finish up today. Congratulations on yet another day of simple self-care focused actions. Another great micro decision to take care of yourself. See you tomorrow.